Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Steam store region. The first critical step requires you to be physically located in the new country. You will also need a local payment method, like a credit card or a local payment provider, registered to an address within that new country. This process is straightforward, but it demands careful attention to ensure a successful update. It is important to have all these prerequisites ready before you begin. To start, launch the Steam application on your personal computer. Once the client is open, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the screen, where you will see your profile name. Click on this name, and a drop-down menu will emerge. From this list, simply choose the option labeled Account Details. This action will take you to a dedicated page containing all your account information and settings. Within your Account Details page, you will find a section dedicated to Store and Purchase History. Look for a prominent option that says Update Store Country in this area. Clicking on this will present you with a new screen displaying a comprehensive list of all the countries supported by Steam. Carefully select your new, current country from this available list. This choice initiates the next phase of your region change. The crucial step to successfully changing your store region is making a purchase. Simply add any game or item to your Steam cart and proceed to the checkout page. During this process, you will be prompted to enter your new billing address and payment information. It is absolutely vital that your payment method, whether it is a credit card or another local option, is issued from and registered to an address within your chosen new country. Completing this transaction will officially update your store region.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.